tornado warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. for Putnam County. Tornado emergency for the city of Cookeville. At 4:42 p.m., law enforcement and storm spotters were tracking a large and damaging tornado. This tornado was located 3 miles east of Baxter, or about 7 miles west of Cookeville, and tracking along Interstate 40, and moving east at 34 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. All residents in Cookeville should take immediate tornado precautions. Get into an interior room away from windows, or seek shelter in an underground room such as a basement, and away from windows at all times.